Hey, welcome to Dev Akshay. Today we are covering Node.js maps to handle null values in a more elegant way. Now let me show you a common issue we face when working with data. We often encounter null or undefined values, which can cause errors. For instance, when working with a dictionary, trying to access a key that doesn't exist raises a key error. Watch what happens here when we try to access a non-existent key. So, we need a way to handle this situation more gracefully. Here's where most people get confused. A defaultdict is essentially a dictionary that never raises a key error. Now, let's define it simply, a dictionary that provides a default value for the key that does not exist. Think of it like a map that automatically initializes a new key with a default value when you try to access it. So, let's walk through this together. We create a new defaultdict instance with a default value, then we try to access a key that doesn't exist. Did you notice that it doesn't raise an error? Now, let's see the code. So first we have const myDefaultDict is equal to new defaultdict, 0, then we console.log myDefaultDict key, and this last line myDefaultDict key is equal to 1, sets the value. Let's walk through a more realistic example. We have a dictionary that stores the count of each word in a sentence. Now, we want to increment the count of each word, but we need to handle the case where the word is not in the dictionary yet. So, we use our defaultdict to provide a default value of 0. And here's the code, const wordCounts is equal to new defaultdict, 0, wordCounts, hello, wordCounts, world, and finally console.log, wordCounts. Now, let me show you a common mistake. When using a defaultdict, people often forget to check if the key already exists before trying to access it. Watch what happens here when we do that. So, we have const myDict is equal to new defaultdict, 0, and console.log myDict key plus 1. This will cause an error because myDict key is undefined. To fix this, we need to check if the key exists before trying to access it, like this, if myDict key is equal to undefined, console.log myDict key plus 1. Thanks for watching. Try using Node.js maps in your next project, and don't forget to subscribe to Dev Akshay for more programming tutorials.